Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. I have my base and brows already done because I'm just going to do an eyeshadow tutorial, and I have the right earrings for this occasion because today I'm going to use the Violet palette by Juvia'S. I got requested to do more looks with this palette, so here I am. I'm going to link my last Violet's palette tutorial down below in the description box in case you want to see more options with this palette. Today I'm going to try and do something different than what I did in my last video. I'm thinking of doing a halo eye just to spice things up a little bit. I already primed my eyelids by applying a little bit of concealer. That's because I'm not going anywhere. Concealer works as an eyeshadow primer, but it's not as long-lasting as an actual eyeshadow primer. So as a transition shade, I'm obviously going to apply this one. I really love this shade. I'm using it most of the time when I'm doing a purple look. And I'll be using a Juvia'S 006 blending brush to apply this shade. And since I'm doing a halo eye, I'm going to leave the center of my lid bare. So I'm going to apply this shade just here in my outer corner. And as you can see, I'm applying it kind of in an angled shape. So it will extend my eye a little bit. And I'll take some more of that shade and apply it in the inner portion of my eye, again kind of angled towards my outer corner. And I'll apply it on the lower lash line as well, connecting it to the top part in my outer corner. And when I have basically no product on the brush, I like extending the shadow towards my temple, but again kind of upwards. And I leave the center of my lower lid bare as well and apply it in the inner portion. Isn't this such a beautiful shade? To deepen things out a little bit, I'm going to use the shade, oh, they have no names, this dark matte shade. And notice how the background matches as well. That's just a coincidence. I have this background all the time. The brush that I'm using is a Morphe M507. It's kind of a small blending brush but pointier at the end. I really love this one. I think I need more. And I'm applying it again in my outer inner corner in the same shape, but not extending the shade as much as I did with the transition. So I'm applying it a little bit more concentrated. And lower lash line as well. And right now I'm going to wipe the excess of my brush and blend the shade upwards and out. And with my previous brush, I'm further going to blend this so it looks really diffused. And as usual, I'm switching back and forth between my brushes to create a perfect blend. I'm taking a little bit more of this shade so I can apply it in the inner portion, dusting off the excess so it doesn't end up on my face. And again, I'm going to apply it in the same angle shape, and this brush is really helpful. I like this kind of a shape because it really extends the eye. And also for my lower lash line in the inner portion. And I'll try accentuating this dark shade by picking up a little bit more and just stamping where I want the most intensity. And in the center of my lid I'm going to apply this shade here. It's a shimmery lilac shade. So that's going to go here where I left the space bare, again kind of in an angled shape. And bringing it up towards my crease, even a little bit above my crease, but not all the way up to my brow bone. on the lower lash line as well. I'm squeezing my eyes so I can see my lower lid a little bit better. And I'll use the Morphe M507 to blend the edges. So the transition between the shades will be really smooth. And I think I need to apply some more of the dark matte shade. And blending again. Now I'll apply some mascara, and I'll apply it off camera. I mean, not in this video, because I filmed another video reviewing a new mascara. It's the Benefit, they're real magnetic. You can go check out my previous video if you want to see a review and application of the mascara. Okay, this is the mascara on. Now I will highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, and I'm going to use my NYX Born to Glow palette. And which shade should I use? I'm going to mix both of these lightest shades and just stamp it in my inner corner and under the arch of my brow. And I'll also apply this NYX Faux white pencil on my waterline. I'm going to pair this eye look with a glossy pinkish lip, and I'm going to start by lining my lips with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Toulouse. And I'm overlining just in the center of my lips. The lipstick I'm going to apply is the Sephora Collection something lipstick. It's discontinued anyway, so I'm sorry. It's the color Lip Last or something like that. I don't know why they discontinued this one. It's really amazing. And it smells like berries. And I'm also going to apply the Sephora Collection gloss in the shade 07, concentrating it in the center of my lip. And that was everything for today's look using the Violets by Juvia'S. I really hope you enjoyed how the look came out. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. It really means a lot to me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!